How do you save money through asset tagging and a ticketing system? Hey everybody, Alex Moen here with today's Biz Tech Tips. And if your IT folks spend even just a small amount of time with basic help desk type questions, chances are you can implement two things for a fairly easy ROI there, a return on investment. That's asset tagging and having a ticketing system in place if you don't already. So asset tagging simply means giving each of your pieces of hardware a special tag with a special name. A good ticketing system will have each of these asset tags stored in it, and it's going to have various other information too that ranges from what work has been done on each piece of equipment to the purchase and replacement dates for that equipment to what software or other items might be on your computers or things like that too. So this small upfront investment in tagging and inputting everything, it generally significantly reduces the amount of time it takes to complete not just help desk items, but also future projects and things like that. And if you want to improve IT, this is one of the most foundational elements for it because if you can't measure it, you can't improve it. So this is how you can improve IT.